On January 22, 1973, the United States Supreme Court ruled 7-2 in the case of Roe versus Wade that bans on abortion violate a woman's right to privacy under the 14th Amendment. The country has been fighting over that decision ever since. This week, anti-abortion groups came within reach of their holy grail with the leak of a draft opinion that shows the Supreme Court is likely to vote to overturn Roe, leaving abortion law to the states. So if the court does take that step, what are the implications for women and families across the country? NBC News Capitol Hill correspondent Ali Vitali has our Sunday focus.
Abortion is a human right.
A week of raw emotions after an unprecedented leak from the Supreme Court.
Life is precious. It's a miracle.
I'm afraid for my daughters. I'm afraid for my future granddaughters.
With the leak affirming what many believed the Supreme Court would decide in Dobbs versus Jackson Women's Health, a wave of new restrictions at the state level. 13 states have trigger laws that will snap into place banning abortion as soon as the Supreme Court announces its decision. Among them, South Dakota.
What happens when the Supreme Court makes its ultimate decision?
We stop abortion care the very minute that it happens.
Because that's how the trigger works here.
Yes, we would stop that very second.
Already one of the most restrictive states for abortion access, they're one of 5 states in the U.S. that have only one abortion clinic. Patients here wait weeks to receive care due to mandatory 3-day waiting periods. Tight limits on telehealth and abortion pill use exacerbate the burden of distance in rural states like this one.
For some women, they already are very much living a post-Roe life. It's not possible for them because of their life circumstances.
In Missouri, with its single clinic and 8-week ban on abortion on the books, it's a similar story.
We know firsthand what a post-Roe reality looks like because we live that reality every single day.
But as abortion advocates brace for a world without Roe's protections, anti-abortion activists are mobilizing too. In Louisiana, a new push for a bill that would criminalize abortion, making it a homicide.
If we can no longer provide care here, I have no idea where a lot of these women will go.
While over in Oklahoma, a new ban on abortions after 6 weeks, when most women don't even know they're pregnant yet. And in several states where abortion is protected, action's taken there too. In California, Governor Gavin Newsom pledging a state constitutional amendment enshrining reproductive rights.
We will stand tall, we will stand firm, and we will affirm the currently constitutionally protected rights of women and girls, their reproductive rights and freedoms in California.
Laying the groundwork for the state to become a so-called safe haven for women who live in states where abortion is banned. Across the country, Connecticut Governor Ned Lamont signed into law Thursday a bill protecting abortion seekers and providers from out-of-state lawsuits. And at the clinic at the center of the court's consideration, heavy decisions about the future.
We are looking into, we're opening a facility right now in New Mexico that will be one of the states where patients will still be able to obtain an abortion.
If they leave, it'll leave Mississippi with no abortion clinics in the state. Still, she says,
we are not going to just walk away from this.
A vow to keep fighting as all eyes now turn to the battles ahead for political control and public opinion.
And Ali joins me now live. Ali, good morning. It's great to see you. As you know, the polling on abortion is complicated in this country, to say the least. So what do we know about how Americans actually want this debate to be settled?
Well, look, Willie, you're right. This is an emotional issue, but public opinion is clear and, frankly, pretty consistent over the years. The majority of Americans, 61% in a new poll, support legal access to abortion in all or most cases. 37% say it should be illegal with some exceptions. That gap between the two sides, though, the largest in 27 years, according to Pew. Clearly, the two sides aren't going to come to consensus, but the decision, whatever it is from the court, won't end the abortion debate or abortion itself in the United States. But what it will do is certainly make it more difficult and less safe for a lot of women. Willie?
And the nuance comes when you ask Americans how they feel about abortion at different trimesters along the way. Ali Vitali, fascinating piece out of Washington for us this morning. Thank you so much.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.